I want you to sell me those glasses.
Oh.
We're gonna open up this guy, the Sony 24-270. Here we go. Comes in a nice case, just like the 70-200. All right, so now I'll go ahead and open this guy up. And here is the lens. Now, the lens has clickable aperture, which is really cool for video, kind of pulling your aperture. You also have a smooth and tight ring. You can see the barrel comes out to here. It's very lightweight, extremely lightweight. And if you go tight, then the barrel will kind of maintain its position. It won't move. It's nice because basically if you're on a gimbal, you can get yourself to 35 millimeters and just hold it there as long as you're on this tight setting here. So that helps with making sure that the lens doesn't change the focal length inadvertently. And it also helps when you're trying to do like a smooth zoom in. So if I wanted to keep it at, let's say 35, I could run this at 35 and still get 2.8. So you can imagine the versatility. So let's say during getting ready, I have it at, 50 millimeters. So now I'm able to get some tight shots at 2.8 during getting ready. Let's say I want to get some details and stuff, I can bring it up to 70, or I could even use that to get a good lens compression at 70 millimeters, so I can get some artistic shots. We can go all the way out to 24 millimeters and get that nice wide landscape. I can get my venue shots. I'm able to get the shots of the hall, let's say the ceremony, and yeah, it's just extremely versatile. So the main benefit of this is that it's also much more lightweight. I mean, I have the other 24-70 Mark I. It is significantly heavier. I think it's about like 100, 200 grams lighter weight on this one. And what's cool is they have an iris lock. So you can lock the iris, which is awesome. I think this is all just modernized, right? Someone said it feels cheap. This does not feel cheap. This actually feels very nice. I think this is pro quality, very, very good, modern focusing system. And in the bag, it also comes with the lens hood, which I would like to use just to keep it fresh. So yeah, I'm going to try to balance this on my gimbal. This is really cool.
Marley, come here. Marley, come here. Hi, Whoopi. We got the lady. Ooh.